So we're going to make an origami shirt today. So we start with a rectangle of paper. I'm using some lovely children's wrapping paper. So you start with it the wrong way over, but if you're just normally using A4 paper then that's fine. First thing we're going to do is to fold it in half lengthways, and then we open it out and we fold the sides into the middle along that line again. Both sides go in. Yeah. And then we're going to take the top corners and we're going to fold them out, taking them beyond the end of the paper, so you've got a sort of butterfly type effect. And you're going to make sure that this one matches on the other side. It's nice and symmetrical. You folded them across. So now your paper looks something a bit like that one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over. The bits you've just folded are underneath and at the bottom facing you, and then we're going to fold this top edge over a little bit, maybe about 1 centimetre or so, but I'm not going to measure it precise. So you folded that top edge down, and then we're going to flip that paper over again, so this open bit is towards you, and we're going to fold these top corners into the middle, but not straight across, maybe about 1 centimetre down or so. So we fold them down. One side done. And we're going to bring the other point down to meet that one. Squash it flat there as well. You've got 2 points coming to meet each other. And the last step in the shirt is to fold this bottom bit up and to tack it under these flaps. It can be a little bit fiddly, but we take it up, under that one, oops, and under that one. Make sure the middle of this is lined up with the middle of that, and then we squash it down, and there we have it, our origami shirt.